earlier, fight for a free drink.
For those of you who can relate, oh my goodness.
That could go very wrong. Hello guys, fancy seeing you here. We are in the Runway Night Market, which is just next to Soy 6. I'm not sure if you can get to it from Beach Road. We've got to it from Second Road. So what we're going to do tonight is just have a look around here. I'll do some walking of the area, show you the different stalls. Obviously, we've got a Chang on the go. This is the first Chang in 3 days, I have to admit. We were quite good on the islands. We just chilled out, relaxed. And you know what? It was a bit of a break, to be fair. I'm not saying tonight we're going to go at it hard, but just have a walk around, show you the different stalls, show you what's out there. The massive variety of food is it's interesting. I'll just pan around quickly and show you where we're sat now. I imagine the Runway is the name because there is a aeroplane right in the middle of the market. Quite interesting. So where we've just got our drinks from, and we're just sat in the middle really here, and this is just the entrance bit. What we did notice as we walked in from Second Road, and I've never seen it before out here, is over there there's something where you can get a free drink if you get in the ring and do some boxing, Thai boxing with someone for a period of time. It's something I won't be doing, I can guarantee you that, guys. But yeah, you can see it's nice and bright, nice and fresh, lots going on. And we'll just take a look around and see what ours to hold. Let's go then. So my standard error of late has been forgetting to get a beer with a water. Last year it was an absolute must do. Always get a water with a beer, but we keep forgetting. So it's something that has to be done. I've got to start doing it. As I said, there is an actual aeroplane here at Runway Night Market. I didn't appreciate how actually big it was. I think it's a full-size actual plane. You can see the landing gear. You can see the actual plane fuselage. Yeah, quite impressive. Guess what? Time for another stop off, but no Chang, water. Really, really warm tonight. When I looked at the temperatures, it was saying it was like 28 degrees, but because it's been cloudy all day, we've had a little bit of rain even, it's really, really humid and really hot, so we're just taking the advantage. Lots of little stop off points, so we're keeping hydrated. Runway Night Market. We've not been here too long, but we're really enjoying the vibe. It's got so much going on. There's plenty of places to sit down, relax. It's not mega busy. It's busy enough. There's some music going on. Yeah, really, really enjoying it. We didn't come here last time. We knew about it, but we just missed it. So really glad. And literally from our hotel, Club Tropicana, or Tropicana Hotel Pattaya, it's a 5-minute walk, so it's on our doorstep. We've been going to the market, which is literally next door to Tropicana, where I'll show you as well. That's the same sort of vibe, but on a smaller scale. It's a bit more beach orientated. It's got lights, you know, and like you're in a beach environment. But this is a little bit more lively, a bit more going on, more opportunity just to have a wander around, have a beer as you wander around if you want. They've said that's fine. Everyone's really friendly. Good place, good place. Just had a nice little rest stop. Just deciding what we're gonna have now. And these are like potato spirals. See there, they're all done, spiraled, and then they're put into the deep fat fryer, battered. Not had one of them yet, but they could be on the menu. And again, 50 baht small, 70 baht large. Very, very nice. I will be trying one of them. Some different rices here, if you can hear me over the music. Lots on offer. So we've come to, I suppose you'd call it the fun fair section of Runway Night Market. I did speak to him about the shooting gallery, but unfortunately, because of my experience, I'm not allowed to go on it. I don't want to bankrupt him. If it's anything like my pool, I won't be bankrupting anyone. So we're at the back end of the market now. As you can see, the back end of the plane. There's a little bit of a seating area here. I'm not sure if they sort of bring out a band or whatnot, but if you do pan around, there is a stage here. Not sure. This is a Friday night at 10 o'clock and there's nothing on at the moment. So whether they have a specific night for them events, I'm not too sure. So it's definitely set up in sections. You've got food, you've got your clothing, you've got a little bit of, I suppose, entertainment with some music going on. So it caters for everyone. There's a few souvenir bits. There's your standard sort of, shall we say, knockoffs, if you like. So a little bit for everyone. It's an interesting place. Another little cool stop off. Classic station cocktail. I think this is actually a working VW. Well, I say it is. It may stay here all the time, but it looks pretty cool. Plenty of souvenirs. Plenty of the, you know, the stuff that you get out here in every single souvenir shop. So I'm not going to emphasize too much on that because it's pretty much standard clothing, jewelry, sunglasses, you know, all that type of stuff. But there's a good selection just to have a wander around here, and it does, you know, break it up a little bit rather than just walking around the food bits. So nice. We're just having a wander down the other side of the food section now. So we were over there before, we've walked up. Again, you do get a repetition on the stalls with what they're serving. I suppose once you find one you like, you can go back. But as you can see, all nice and fresh. All ready to be cooked. Now, I'm not a lover of coconuts. Jo's had one when she's been out here, really enjoyed it. It's just not for me, but there's plenty on offer wherever you go in Thailand, and certainly around here in Pattaya. And we've got another crocodile stall. Just headed down back to the main road now. More barbecue food or more grilled food. Smoothies. I don't know what that is. It looks like some sort of jelly. I suppose you Taiwanese milk tea. They put that in the top. A new one on me. If anyone knows, pop it in the comments. Some sort of takoyakis, 50 baht for 6 pieces, 80 baht for 10 pieces. Almost like some sort of prawn balls or chicken balls as I know them in the UK. And then we just moved back to the front. So the front of the market really concentrates on your fresh fruit. Lots on offer. As you can see, pineapples, the durians. And this is back up to the start of the market. We've got some seafood here. Nice big prawns, or shrimp as they're known here. So, not sure. Red snapper could be, but 250 baht grilled. If you want to get your feet cleansed, you can sit in and have that done. Not something I would fancy, to be honest, but each to their own. Again, fresh fruit. You've got your strawberries, 100 bahts. Nice big grapes. They look quite nice, the little kebabs they've put together and little fruit pots. These are some sort of I don't know, something in balloons, whether the little fruit shots of some sort. Jellies. 15 baht for that. So interesting, not seen them before. So you can probably hear this in the background, this Lahi 869. I said about it earlier, fight for a free drink. That could go very wrong.
Here is your winner.
Interesting times. Runway Night Market. That's done. We enjoyed that. Friday night, 10 o'clock. Not massively busy, but lots going on. Still a night hustles. Great atmosphere. I'm shouting because we've got the wrestling or fight bar that's next door here. So we're keeping away from that. But yeah, really nice, good place, one of our favourite markets so far. Will we come back? Yes, 100%. Okay, thanks for watching guys. If you can drop us a like and a subscribe, that'd be great, and we'll see you on the next one.